Hello lovelies and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade saltine crackers which are light, crunchy and completely sugar free. So if you've never made crackers before, then make sure to try this recipe because they are so good that you keep going back for more once you make them. I'm going to start off by measuring some flour. You can go in with all-purpose flour or salt flour. Then to that, I'll add some salt and baking soda. A quick mix and set that aside. Now in another bowl, I'm going to pour in some milk, add yeast, and then go in with some melted margarine. Or you can replace that with butter if that's what you have available. Give that a good mix until it's well combined. Then gradually add the dry ingredients and fold everything together. Once I start forming a dough, I'm going to knead this for a few minutes to get that perfect texture and also develop the gluten. And here's where you can actually get creative with this recipe. So to the dough, I'm adding some sesame seeds for that nutty taste and also to give that, nostalgic feel. But feel free to throw in any herbs or spices you love. Trust me, it's going to take the flavor to the next level. A quick knead to mix everything evenly, then cover the dough and let it rest for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to divide the dough and roll it out super thin. About 1/8 inch thick would be good, then cut it into cracker shapes. So here you can use a pastry cutter, cookie mold or just freestyle it. Just cut them into your preferred shapes. Then poke small holes with a fork to help them bake up extra crunchy. Gather any leftover dough together and repeat the process until you have all your dough cut out. Transfer this to a baking tray and into an oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until they turn golden brown and they can snap easily when you break them. And that's it. Your light, crunchy saltine crackers are ready to be enjoyed. These are perfect for snacking or pairing with your favorite dips. Let me know in the comment section what flavors you'd love to add to yours. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun recipes. See you in the next one. Bye.